Welcome to the Spotlight. I am Joanna. Of course, I'm joined by Frank Fagbo, business analyst. Of course, today we're spotlighting briefly Oando, the latest addition to the Trillion-Naira Club.
Okay, so thanks, Joanna. Oando's remarkable surge in August has caught our attention. Let's dive into the numbers. If you look at what has been happening with Oando, more than 700% year to date, and month to date is 206%. That's some massive numbers. And that is because of what has happened between the acquisition. Remember the acquisition, Oando to Agip, that increased their oil mining license, gave them 60, 61, 62, 63, and increased their reserves by nothing less than 100%. So obviously, what do you think investors are going to do? With such massive acquisition, they will jump on that stock. Right. And that's why we're seeing this massive price action playing out in the market.
Indeed, it's impressive, right? The milestone obviously indicates that Oando's stability and growth potential. So how would you say Oando's performance, compares to other oil and gas stocks?
Yeah, I think the only energy company you can see among the SWOT category is I think Seplat. And if you look at Seplat is the only company that has crossed the only company in the energy sector that has crossed that category, and Oando coming ahead. And with this massive acquisition, they're giving every energy company a run for their money. And I think that is really, really massive.
All right. I mean, it's a sweet story, but do you see any challenges ahead, before we tie things together, any challenges ahead for Oando?
Okay, so the little challenge I saw was the entire frenzy in the media when there were conversations about Malta, allegations, putting in Oando in the middle, but they were able to handle that. They were able to handle it properly. And you see how they handled it. Issued a press conference, made sure investors' confidence was uptight, so just make sure they keep them cool.
And they also threatened to sue those pushing misinformation.
No meeting court, obviously.
Yes, indeed. All right, it's been an interesting conversation. We'll continue to obviously track the performance of Oando in the red today and yesterday as well, but perhaps just investors taking profit. We here at Market Pulse will continue to track the trends in the market. So as always, join me 4 p.m. West African time every weekday. Tomorrow, the final trading day of the week. This is Market Pulse on New Central in partnership with Nairametrics. Join me tomorrow.